Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Matro's Travel. I'm Matro, and today I'm gonna go to the north side of the Etna mountain. So right now I'm at the car rental station. I found two other guys who are gonna go travel with me, like we're renting a car together and gonna drive as far up as possible. So let's go. So we have to go to the right.
Di porcellane uniche in stile tunna. Raccogli i bollini con la tua spesa Racolad. Concarta insieme fino al 6 febbraio. Scopri di più su
So we are driving on a volcano, if I get that right.
Yeah.
Everything here comes from...
Basically, we are driving on a volcano. And we arrived in a national park. So this park is on the north side of the Etna. The weather isn't the best. Actually, you should see the mountain behind me, but there is no mountain. So I'm a bit worrisome right now. But anyway, the park here, it's basically a lot of vineyards. You can see here, it's really beautiful and it's autumn, so the leaves are changing here as well, which makes the whole thing even nicer. And while walking here, you can also see like different places, also some mountains on the back. Here. And there's still grapes, don't take them of course. But it's really like a beautiful place for a bit of hiking. There are different hiking trails here. I think it takes like 2 or 3 hours to hike around here. Something I can really recommend, especially on a beautiful sunny day, not on a rainy day like today. But yeah, it's really something to recommend. And now we are trying to drive to the Etna mountain, which is right there. I don't really see much of it. It's gonna be interesting. I hope we're gonna see something, but you're gonna see in a bit. So, and I'm on the top of the Etna. It's rainy, it's foggy, it's you have some souvenir shops there. You see nothing. It's kind of funny. I mean, you can see some rocks up there a little bit, but it's so foggy, it's incredible. I think there in the back you can see some trees, but you don't see much. And it's starting to rain and it's really beautiful weather. So I can highly recommend to you, go here when the weather is bad. It's funny, totally. But actually, hey, you can see some here. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I'm gonna try to go with the others to do a bit of a hike. I'm not sure it's gonna be for long, but let's see. So, and it just started to rain. Bad for me, but good for the view. Like now you can actually see more and more of the black landscape, which looks really cool. You can also see the souvenir shops now. And oh gosh, the weather is horrible. But at least I can go a bit hiking now. Like here, I'm walking right on the lava rocks. They're not really heavy, not at all. It's quite cool. Yeah. Whew. Okay. And the fog is coming again, right behind me. Oh gosh, I hope we're gonna find the car again. Don't copy me, don't do this. Really, don't. Oh gosh. Everything is disappearing. Yay! There's also like the landscape. It's so weird. Like a mythical forest. Hey, the houses, yay. Okay.
Fuck is running. Oh, I love this.
It's brilliant. So, and here I'm like on top of a small hill, and you can see like where the lava was flowing down. There's the parking lot. Now it's not too much fog, you can actually see something, which is nice. And like you see like how the lava came down from there all the way down here. It's incredible. Now, so with the fog, it basically looks like it just burned down. So this scenery is incredible. It looks like just a war happened, or just like a huge forest burned down just right now. It's crazy. But yeah, the fog is coming back, so it's really just, you have a few seconds for enjoying the view and then it's gone again. But still, with the mist here, it's incredible, like in a way magical, like you're just waiting for like a fairy or kobold or anything, like any mythical creature to appear somewhere from the bushes or the trees. It's kind of scary in a way, but also really, really cool. On the left. So, and now I'm just walking through the forest. There is like the Nere cave, and there's a lot of mist here. Bit spooky in a way, but okay. I'm not afraid at all. Also, I'm walking on lava, or like cold lava, and it doesn't feel like walking on earth. It's really light, bit like sand in a way. It's a strange feeling to walk on it, because you're still in a forest. It's confusing. But yeah, I'm trying to look for the cave. I'm gonna show it to you. Found it! It's right here in the middle of the forest. And you can see it here, so that's the Nere cave. And let's go down there. Oh gosh, it's not very easy, especially with the weather now, but let's try. Okay, so let's go down here. Whew. It's quite slippery. Oh gosh, I have no idea if I can do that. The stairs are steep. Okay, but here's the cave. Okay, step by step. It's really cool. You can't see too much, but it's nice. But I'm gonna show you a few pictures here. It's quite small for a cave, but still, imagine it's actually pure lava. So, and I'm inside this cave. There of course is no light, but wait, you can see some here. It's quite small, and I think it might have been an air pocket when the lava was flowing down here, could be it. There's also another exit here, which is easier than the one before. But there are 2 exits, so you don't need to worry about not getting out here anymore. But yeah, it's hard to show you anything here. But it's a small cave. But here, let's get out again. Oof. Yeah, and back through the forest and finally going back to Catania. Okay, so I'm back down again. I'm actually, well, in another forest right now. So it's the next day already, and today it's way hotter, like really hot actually. The sun is shining and everything, which is the reason why I'm actually here in the forest now, to cool a little bit down. But anyway, so even though it was really horrible weather yesterday, it was very interesting to actually see the mountain or the volcano like this, like with the fog and the rain and the wind and everything. It looked very mystical. So even though the weather was bad, I actually enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button down below. Remember to subscribe and see you next video. Bye.